Hey everybody, today we have a 2017 Honda Pilot Elite just in, certified pre-owned. Gorgeous white metallic paint job on the outside. You're also going to have privacy glass, body side molding, and fog lights on this vehicle, as well as a luggage rack and power tailgate. Now let's take a closer look at these interiors. Okay folks, let's take a look at the cargo space in the back of this Pilot. You'll notice it is incredibly roomy. You also have extra storage underneath there if you would need it. And of course, because it is the Pilot, it does have the third row seating option for any extra passengers you want to bring along. Moving to the back seat area here. Because this is the Elite model, you do get captain's chairs in the back here, as well as rear entertainment to watch any DVDs or movies you'd like. And you also have a power outlet back there as well. Moving to the front seat area, you do have heated seats in this vehicle, power driver and power passenger seats. Comes equipped with a moonroof. You're gonna have built-in navigation. You're gonna have Bluetooth capabilities and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone connections. Okay everybody, come on down the 115 Lenz Road to Delaney Honda here in Indiana, PA, and check out this just-in certified pre-owned Honda Pilot Elite. This vehicle has all-wheel drive capabilities, and with its Honda sensing, it'll take you anywhere you need to go these coming fall months, safely and economically friendly. Make sure you come check it out and come see me, Tristan, when you do. Thank you folks, have a great day.